You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. I said correctly. There are going to be different pronunciations. By the way, if you want to learn more pronunciations and improve your vocabulary, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. In Spanish, it's pronounced Lionel. In French, Lionel. In English, it's generally pronounced as Lionel, alright? But yes, Lionel if it's somebody who is from an English-speaking country, but if he's from a Spanish-speaking country, Mexico, South America, Spain, Lionel. In French again, Lionel. English pronunciation, how to pronounce Lionel. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.